Myself, Dr. Praveen Kumar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Horticulture in College of Agriculture, Tirthankar Mahavir University, Muradabad. Today I will discuss topic value addition concept of fruits and vegetables. This topic is value addition concept. What is value addition concept in horticulture? The stage of crop production immediately following harvest, including cooling, cleaning, sorting, and packing, may be termed as post-harvest handling. And fresh fruits and vegetables, including root crops, are mostly perishable in nature and they begin to deteriorate immediately after its separation from the parent plant and suffer considerable losses during the process of marketing. These are the process in which a high price is realized for the same value of a primary product by means of processing, packing, upgrading the quality or other such methods. Next topic is losses. These losses may be of following nature. First point is quality downgrading due to handling, and next is physiological spoilage, rooting and sprouting, and third is pathological spoilage from pest and disease, and last is oversupply to markets. This topic is main reason of post-harvest losses. What is the main reason of post-harvest losses? First is inadequate or inoperative application of proper post-harvest practices and improper production planning. On the other hand, value addition in horticulture is the process in which a high price is realized for the same value of a primary product by the means of processing, packing, upgrading the quality or other such methods. It means the estimated post-harvest losses is fruit is 6.7% to 15.88% and vegetables is 4.58% to 12.4%. And for example, making jam of pomegranate and strawberry. Need for value addition in horticulture to improve the profitability of farmers, and next to empower the farmers and other weaker sections of society, especially women, through gainful employment opportunities and revitalize rural communities. Next is to provide better quality, safe and branded foods to the consumers, to emphasize primary and secondary processing, to reduce post-harvest losses and reduction of import and meeting export demands, and way of increased foreign exchange and encourage growth of subsidiary industries, and next is reduce the economic risk of marketing. These are help companies attract more customers which can boost revenue and profit. Some parts are by flight. Increase opportunities for smaller farms and companies through the development of markets and diversify the economic base of rural communities and overall increase farmers' financial stability. This topic is importance of value addition in horticulture. First point is horticulture deals a large group of crops having great medicinal, nutritional, health promoting values. And next is India as second largest producer of fruits and vegetables. Only 10% of that horticultural produce is processed, but other developed and developing countries where 40 to 80% produce is value added. And next point is horticultural crops provide varied type of components which can be effectively and gainfully utilized for value addition like pigment, amino acids, polyuracin, antioxidant, flavors, aroma, etc. This means, on the other hand, value addition in horticulture is the process in which a high price is realized for the same value of a primary products, upgrading the quality of other such method. Post harvest losses in horticultural produce are 5 to 30%, which amounts to more than 8,000 crore rupees per annum. If we subject our produce to value addition, the losses can be checked. This means horticultural losses in India is very important matter. Thank you.